Hi, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. We're here with our good friend,
Jeff Mitchell.
Yay! Our local Nikon rep. And guys, I get excited about a lot of great photo stuff, but this is like the coolest thing. So I talked to a couple of you about the Nikon Z30, but we finally have the new Creator Kits in stock. So tell us about the Creator Kit, Jeff.
Well, I mean, the Creator Kit is just part of the package. What it is it is a full kind of opportunity for creators, for people that are at home, for my daughter to kind of get out there and use this to do video, upload Twitch,
Yes.
YouTube,
Yes.
all of that. It's great because it has the remote, the ML7 on it. It comes with the Rode microphone, which is incredible, and it just makes it easier to use whether you're going to hand hold it and come back, which the screen completely rotates around, or if you want to put it on a tripod and do this. Like I think you were doing some of your workshops with this,
Yeah,
right?
so I'm using the Z30 as my webcam. For those of you who've done Zoom classes with me, the Z30 is like perfect for that. It's small, it's lightweight. It can fit on just about any tripod or rig that you're going to use to hold it. I just love it, and I think this is going to be a winner for all of you who want to be content creators. And everybody today should be creating content, whether that's instructional videos for your work or family videos. This is such an easy thing, and it's going to go in your bag or a separate bag no matter what camera you own. And I just really think it's going to be great. The price is right at $850 for the camera. How much is the Creator Kit, Jeff?
$150.
$150. So $150 for the microphone, the tripod, the remote control. You can't beat that, guys.
Can't beat it, and it makes a great backup camera.
Yeah.
On top of everything else,
Right.
like for me, I use it instead of my in-computer video camera.
Right.
But more importantly, for me, it's a backup camera. Sometimes I'm traveling, I've got my Z9 and my Z7. I don't want to have that with me if I'm just going to make a short excursion.
Right.
So this is like the second camera in my bag. I don't bring a second big camera. I bring this. It's great if I just want to quick go out. So it's not a one-use type of product. It's multiple uses. And to me, like I've talked to a couple of our ambassadors, I know you have, who have picked this up kind of for that purpose, for their webcasting, but as well as just having a second small little body, because it's always going to do a better job than what's videotaping this.
Right, exactly, I'm sorry, yes, but all right guys, Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, come on down. You know we always have the cool stuff, and currently in stock, you can come get it, the Z30 Creator Kit at Paul's Photo. See ya.
Take care.